Okay, we have a Haas VF2SS Vertical Machining Center. Serial number 35462. This machine was new in 2004 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a 12,000 RPM spindle. You have the Haas control, which is equipped with a 4th axis wiring and drive. Not the table, but the 4th axis wiring and drive. Right now we are running at 2,000 RPM. A Haas VF2SS has a 36 by 14 table with 30 inches of X travel, 16 inches of Y, and 20 inches of Z.
4,000.
That's 4,000 RPM. This machine has programmable coolant, chip auger, 7,500 RPM. You have a 24 tool side mounted tool changer. All right, I'm gonna do another one. Great. That's your X axis. Again, you have 30 inches in the X. That's your Y, which again 16. You have telescopic way covers, all axes. And your Z. All right, do that thing when you home it. Okay, hey, thank you for watching our video.